Hi, we're going to do our follow-up video here for eagle walking and eagle grasp as prey, like how to do it in a small space. So we get into our nice little Wuji stance here, empty posture. Okay, roll those shoulders back. Here we go, and always remember to bend your knees. Okay, I'm going to turn my I'm going to shift my weight here, but before I do it, I'm going to turn my right leg out so it's kind of at an angle here. Then I'm going to come back in, shifting back to that leg, coming into the T pose here, and we're going to go into something kind of like bow stance where we step off and we're here, and then we turn this back leg back in line. Here we go. All right, so your hands can be like this, or you can put them back here as you want for the eagle walking. Okay, then we kind of step up, turn back into T pose here. Then I'm going to step into bow stance or into a lunge. Here we go right here. Okay, so if we were doing eagle walking, we would just keep going, but how you do it in a small space here is you come back up, come straight back. Okay, then we're going to let one leg go back kind of like in a military about face, but we're only going to go a quarter turn here. Okay, and then we go back into T pose, and then we step out. Quarter turn, back into T pose here, then step out, come back in, T pose, then we're back where we started. Okay. All right, so that's how you do the quarter turn. You could do it the other way as round. If that's too complicated, you could always just go back and do it again like this, how I'm going to do here. So come out, Wuji posture, T pose, step, you're here, and then you just turn around. And you turn back, okay? Okay. How we do that was eagle grasp as prey, so adding the arms, okay? So we come out here, T pose, out, step, bring your leg in line, and then let your wings come out. Do 3 sets. 1, 2, and 3. Or whatever number you like. Then you come forward, T pose, turn into bow stance or into the lunge. Bring your leg in line. Then you do your 3. 1, 2, 3. Gonna step forward here. Okay. Come in, do a quarter turn. Back into T pose. Quarter turn. Back into T pose, step forward, back in line. Spread your wings. Now you can also bring your wings up here, but you can also bring it in towards the belly. So you don't have to bring it towards the chest. You can bring it to the belly. And I explain the reasoning there in the eagle grasp as prey video. Okay. Come Come up, T-pose, and the bow stance, modified bow stance like a lunge. And we finish off. Okay, come back. So hey, that was how to do eagle grasp as prey and eagle walking in a small space. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you.